describe in 2 words the key to success?
Describe in 2 words the key to success. 2 words.
Welcome to Silverstone.
I love the hairy microphone.
This is nice. Good morning everyone and welcome to MD Cars and Stories. I'm Marius and today we have an absolutely lovely day in UK. Look at that. And guess what? Today is Silverstone, the classics. So I wake up like half an hour ago, took the bags, put them in the car and we head into Silverstone. Stay with me.
Can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control? You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater. There's so much water.
So here we are guys, finally we arrived at Silverstone, the place where the classics meet the modern.
Look behind, it's moving closer every time.
So our plan for today is to enjoy this classic race and get a new experience and check as well on all the people, how they're feeling, what they think about these cars, what they prefer as well, like you, the classics or the moderns. By the way, Yanimais will be here, so I'll try to get a couple of words from him as well. Is this your new car? I love it. You're wrapping it. Yeah. When you do that, I'll see you up there on the scene. See you, yeah. I think we'll have a lot of fun. Let's go. Welcome to Silverstone. Come on, race team. Here we go. I am Marius and this is the little brother of Formula 1. Right guys, we are quite in the middle of the event now. As you can see, there are a lot of supercars around us. Let's go and meet some people and let's see what they think about these cars. And we may find some owners of the cars. We have some classics on the right side. Sorry, is this your car?
This is my car.
Yeah? All right. Can you describe this car in only 2 words? Only 2.
I'm only allowed 2 words.
Yeah.
Sublime luxury.
Oh, this is a good one. He's the first one who said that about Rolls-Royce. Sublime luxury. Yeah.
A 1953 Rolls-Royce Silver Wraith, 4.5 litre straight 6.
Ooh,
Well, it's
straight 6.
straight 6, very quiet, very smooth. And as you can see, it's all about being a passenger in this car. It's chauffeur-driven, meant to be chauffeur-driven. It's got
Yes.
a division, so it's privacy in the back.
It's absolutely amazing.
Extra jump seats.
Yep. How much is the price for this car?
Probably this one, maybe 80 to 100, possibly.
That's
Something like that, I think. It's hard to, you have to find a buyer. Not many people want them because they're so big.
Oh, I would love one of those. See you next time, Lily Baymans. Can you describe your car in 2 words? Only 2 words.
Long.
Huh?
It's a long car. It's an extended legroom.
Right.
It's a-
In 2 words,
Two
describe
words.
it. Long and chic.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Long
long and
and
chic. Long and chic.
And I'll say something. I love the hairy microphone.
Can you describe this car in only 2 words?
Very good.
And this beauty as well. Imagine you at your wedding with this car.
1956,
Yeah.
Mercedes-Benz 190 SL,
Actually, this is an SL.
190 SL,
Yeah.
1956.
Oh my God.
It's a four-cylinder car, and the production started in 1955 till 1962. This is the earlier model with bucket seats, smaller lights at the back, and it's about 104 brake horsepower.
Thank you. Have a good day, sir.
You're welcome.
If you have to choose only one of these three, which one would you choose?
Well, I've already got one of those ones.
Yeah.
Right.
But I do like this one.
So you will do this one. This will be the first SUV, Aston Martin SUV.
If I was buying a new one, I'd probably get one of these.
That's lovely. Good choice, I think.
All right.
All right. See you later. Thanks. Sorry, is this James Bond car?
No, it's not a James Bond car, no.
Is
But it
his
is an
bro-
Aston Martin.
Yeah, but it's his brother's car because he had an Aston
it's
Martin.
his cousin's car.
Yeah, is it fast? How many horsepower we have?
It's 450 horsepower.
Oh, quite fast.
It's 180 plus miles an hour.
Oh, nice. And what year it is?
It's a 2005 based on a DB9 chassis.
Oh my God, it's looking
It's full custom
amazing.
build with carbon fibre panels.
Yeah, I think it's the best Aston Martin I ever seen. To be honest with
Nice.
you.
Yeah, it's a really different car. We designed it to look stunning from every angle.
Yeah.
It's full carbon fibre, as I say. So it's a one-off at the moment. We're going to build another 9 cars.
Right, and it's fast as well if it's only carbon fiber.
Yeah, it's lighter than the factory car.
Right. Thanks a lot. Have a
No
lovely
problem.
day.
All right.
I hope we'll be better,
Yeah.
but I don't think so.
Bit of sun, maybe.
Cheers. Thank you. The legendary Enzo.
So that's a F50 in Giallo Modena, so it's one of only 31 cars in yellow. That's a F50 in standard Rosso Corsa, so there's 301 of those in the world. The one on the left we have for sale, so that's done 11,000 or 12,000 kilometers.
Oh, right.
Been with the same owner since 2007, and we've just taken it on, done a sort of a comprehensive recommission on it, new fuel tanks, the suspension's been looked at, and
Brand new.
well, yeah, it's nearly new now. It's in very, very good condition, very original. And unfortunately, it's been a bit rainy, but hopefully tomorrow it'll look nice in the sun.
Hopefully, yeah. There are two legends and the Enzo as well.
Yeah, the Enzo belongs to the same owner as the red F50.
Right, okay.
So that's a private collection which he's owned for many, many years, along with an F40 and plenty of other cars.
Thanks a lot. Which
No
one
worries.
do you think is the best model ever created by Ferrari?
F50, yellow.
Definitely. Yes, thank you. That's me.
Can you hold that?
Yeah.
Shall I wrap this for this man? Yeah. Okay, Nico, step up please. Good luck, Nico.
Nico, how are you today? You alright?
I'm very good, I'm very good.
Can you tell me 2 words, only 2 words to describe this amazing car?
I love it.
I love it. No, that's all right. I was thinking powerful, explode. Yeah, that's a lovely car.
Thank you, man.
From all these cars, which one do you prefer?
I haven't been around, to be fair, to see everything. This one.
Ah, come on. Describe in 2 words the key to success.
Describe in 2 words key to success. 2 words. Passionate. Got to be passionate. 2 words. 3 words. Work ethic. Work ethic. You've got to work hard. People think everything's easy in life. It's not easy, you've got to graft.
That was all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and share this video with your friends so we can grow up and post more videos. Even with this bad weather, we still had a lot of fun, so I hope you will have the same. See you next time. This is nice.